In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free Canvas shell. If it's the first time you're going to this site, one of the easiest ways to find it is just to Google the keywords Instructure Canvas. This first URL that comes up is the one that I want, canvas.instructure.com, so I'll just click on that. And then later on, if I wanted to, I could bookmark this site because this is where I'll be coming back to log in. Okay, so I want this link in the upper right corner that says, "Need a Canvas account? Click here, it's free." Next, I'm going to click the blue button that says, "I'm a teacher." Now, when you're doing this, you should get a pop-up asking for your info, but in case you don't, I want to show you which of these two choices you should pick. It'll ask you to choose between Try It and Build It. You want the button that says Build It because then you'll have that shell for as long as you want it. If you clicked on Try It, on the other hand, you get a free trial that lasts only 2 weeks. So in a nutshell, your choices are free for forever or free for 2 weeks, so you might as well pick the one that's free for forever. So I'm going to go ahead and click Build It, and I get the same pop-up box that I had before. Now what you would do from here is just fill in your info, and for organization type, you'd select Higher Ed. Some people have asked if it's okay to use their @elcamino.edu email address to sign up for the free account, like if it'll prevent you from using that same email later on when you want to get your live shell to teach your class. The answer is it's perfectly fine to use your El Camino email address here. This account that you're making right now is actually on a totally different server than the one your El Camino or Compton Canvas account will be on, so it doesn't matter if the email addresses are the same. So go ahead and fill it out. Don't forget to check the box that you accept their terms and conditions, and then click Submit. You'll then get an email from Instructure asking you to verify your account. Click on the link in that email, and then it'll have you set up a password. You can always reset it later on if you need to. Just as a heads up, this freebie account is going to look slightly different than your El Camino or Compton Canvas account will. So if you're using a freebie account and you watch any of the other Canvas videos I've made, you might notice that the interface looks a little different, or you might not see a certain button I'm referring to. Also, some of the links and other things you'll see in the free account won't be there when you eventually get your El Camino or Compton account. So nothing's broken or missing, the accounts are just set up a little differently. And in case you were wondering, yes, you can save the work you were doing here in the free account and bring it on over to your ECC or Compton account once we get that set up for you. It's actually a really quick process, and I'll go over that in a different video.